Ebbula ly'amazzi mu disitulikiti y'e Mbarara kati lifuuse baana baliwo ng'abaayo ge bakaaba ge bakomba. Ebintu ebiyambira awamu abantu omuli amasomero n'amalwaliro bye bimu ku bisinze okukosebwa ebbula ly'amazzi lino. Ku ssomero lya Lugalula Primary School erisangibwa mu Town Council y'Nyabishirira, amazzi kati gaafuuka tuzzi era ng'abayizi okufuna ge beeyambisa balina okutambula engendo. Embeera eno ekosezza nnyo ensoma yaabwe.
Because sometimes the lessons delay because of that time that we normally spend when we are at the well, and two, since it is not good for them to drink, we find it very difficult where they develop this typhoid, the stomach ache because of that dirty water which we normally get from the well.
We have only one tank which supplies both teachers and the pupils. And during the dry season, this tank can dry. So we have a challenge to go somewhere a bit far, like 1 kilometer, to get water from someone's dam.
Embeera eno teyawukana nnyo n'ey'essomero lya Lwebale Primary School eriweereza abaana abasukka mu 1,000. Eno tukitegedde ng'abayizi abawala bwe balemererwa n'okusoma naddala nga bali mu nsonga zaabwe olw'ebbula ly'amazzi.
The issue of not having enough water at times hampers our education system, because they say like at break time when guys have gone to collect water, it takes time. And again, these guys who go into menstrual periods, at times you find they don't have water to wash themselves.
Sometimes they fear to go to school. Somehow it might be true, because you see when they are in their periods and they have no water, they need water to clean themselves.
These schools of ours, generally in Mbarara district, they lack water, sincerely speaking. For example, a school like Mbarara, apparently from the findings we have got, pupils, when it comes to drinking water, they are extremely lacking.
Ebbula ly'amazzi era likosezza nnyo eddwaliro lya Nyabishirira Health Center too.
We face a big challenge to fetch that water. Sometimes you reach an extent whereby the community starts saying that the owner of the dam starts saying that water is reducing, so they have to minimize people fetching that water.
Ushango mweta kahirwaro sine na mizigo kunywa tuchikayo batereze embazi yo kumarisa nabwe turonde kitwamise chubura tumara tutie mbazi kandi ikindi ntikana hirwaro umushango umushahari w'umgiye umukiza kumweta ishaheza ezashomye kuba nakoramu ubwirebwe ushanga tube yakwereza.
Kati embeera eno yawaliriza abakakiiko akalondoola eby'obuyonjo ka Uganda Parliamentary Forum on Water, Sanitation and Hygiene okukyalako mu kitundu kino okulondoola embeera eno.
The dams, people are relying on the rainwater harvesting, and you find the water containers are not adequate enough, because if it is not the rainwater in the dry spell, they go to dams, and these are individually owned dams whereby at times the owners restrict, and even the cattle, they are sharing with the cattle. This water is not good for human consumption. We found out that the standardized school ratio for the latrines, which is 1:40, is not yet being met in some of these schools. You still find 1:60, and so the stances are not adequate enough, and this has affected the girl retention or school retention.
Bano basabye gavumenti efube okubunyisa amazzi mu kitundu kino ng'embeera tennasajjuka.